Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're here with our latest build. It's a 144 high roof Sprinter 4x4. It's a 2022. Stick around to the end. This is actually for sale. For those that do make it all the way to the end, I'll have a little something for you. This build is done in our shelter layout and includes a nice, large, deep stainless steel sink with a pull-down faucet. Under the sink, we've got the switch to the hot water heater, a Blue Technologies water filter, cubbies for the cooking propane, and still some storage left over. Buckeye is outfitted with a 2-burner gas stove to handle all of your cooking needs. As in all of our builds, below the stove is a large cutlery drawer, and below that is an isotherm 85 stainless refrigerator, which is 3 cubic feet. Rounding out the kitchen is a 19-inch flip up to extend your counter space. On the driver's side, most of the controls sit, including the battery monitor, the inverter switch, the thermostat for the heater, and 1 zone of lights. You'll also have an additional counter with 4 drawers and a step to hop in and out of bed a little easier. This van will come equipped with a Trillino composting toilet, one of the best on the market today. Above, there's 2 spacious overhead cabinets for additional storage. One of the best features in the shelter layout is the forward-facing bench seat and lagoon table with the driver's seat swiveled, creating the perfect space for a date night. And easy access to the large AMA slider window with the pull-down blackout shade. Two more overhead cabinets sit above the bed in the bedroom for even more storage. We added van capsules to increase the width of the bed, allowing an actual queen mattress, and there's slider windows still on both sides. The bedroom has access to the remote for the 1 max air fan that rests up front. And there are 2 reading lights that are dimmable, have a red light feature, and have a built-in USB. Having a fixed bed creates your garage storage space, which so many vans do not have. The driver's side houses all of the electric, including a 3,000 watt inverter, the Victron battery-to-battery, solar charge controller, and 460 amp hours of lithium to power all of your needs. The passenger side has all the plumbing, including a 20-gallon freshwater tank, your water fill, outdoor heated shower, and a window to see your water level, and it includes a 2.5 gallon converted 12 volt hot water heater. Buckeye will come with one of our favorite vendors, Van Essentials magnetic blackout shades for all the windows, and there's also one to cover the Max Air fan. On to the exterior, and you're going to have an Owl Vans monster storage box and their wheel ladder combo carrier. Here's a better view of the van speed capsules with the slider windows included. Buckeye is upfitted with the Cooper Discovery AT3s along with the black Rhino rims. There's also heavy-duty Owl running boards, more storage for your furry friends' gear, or maybe just some extra sneaks. Up top, you're going to find a Prinzu roof rack, a 12 volt Velvet AC, 400 watts of solar, and views for miles. Rounding out this incredible van is a rooftop light bar and 2 more headlights, all controllable by the driver on a toggle switch for when you're really out adventuring. Alright, we made it all the way through. For those that did, in the description below, you'll see a little coupon code. If you're interested in this, use that. Make sure you reach out to me. This beautiful 144 2022 4x4 could be yours, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.